क्यों भाई? Hello guys, welcome back to my new vlog, and I have woke up as you can see. So I have to take my sehri already. So yeah, right now I will go to pray for Fajr as you can see. So now just let's go guys. So guys, now I have reached as the masjid as you can see. So yeah, it is the masjid.
Assalamualaikum. اللهم رب النور العظيم ورب الكرسي الرفيع ورب البحر المسجور ومنزل التوراة والإنجيل الإمام الهادي المهدي القائم بأمرك الصلوات والأشهاد وعلى آله الطاهرين عن جميع المؤمنين والمؤمنات في مشارق.
So guys, right now I am standing with my elder brother as you can see. I am standing with Amir Bhaiya.
Hasan Abbas. ये हसन अब्बास है.
So yeah, right now I will meet you when I will reach my home. So guys, right now it is 5:50 a.m. in the morning, yeah, and I have came back to my home and it is the time to go for bed. So yeah, I will meet you when I woke up. Hello guys, welcome back again. I woke up as you can see. So now what's the time? Where is my watch guys? So where is my watch? So yeah, it is there. So now let's check what is the time. It is 11:36 a.m. in the morning, yeah, and yeah, it is my father. He is doing cutting. So now let's just see that what we will do. Let's see that what we will do today guys. So by the way guys, I have one more question as you can see. So right now I am shooting my vlog with my front camera, and yeah, I am just trying to shoot myself with the help of rear camera. So just tell me that what quality looks good. So right now I am shooting myself with the help of front camera as you can see. So guys, by waking up first time, everybody just go in front of mirror like this. Just tell me that how much of you can relate with me. So everybody, whenever we woke up, we just go in front of mirror first. So that is the fact I want to share with you. So yeah, now it is 11 as you can see, almost 12 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, right now I woke up. So now let's just see that what will happen today. Hello guys, as you can see, I changed my clothes now. So yeah, it is almost about Zohar. So from now on, I am trying to add on some Hindi words in my speech because it will be more convenient to understand. So yeah, so right now I'm just going to my roof. So चलो मेरे छत पर चलते हैं guys. So yeah, there are my stairs. As you can see, yeah, it is. So let's go up the side. It is the roof guys. I showed you in the previous vlogs that how it is, but दोबारा आ गया हूँ आपको दिखाने के लिए. यानी यहाँ वो सामने है मिनी ताजमहल जो आपको दिखाया था पिछले vlogs में. So guys, right now I'm standing at my roof, and as you can see, It is my masjid in front of me. So yeah, it is. I mean, it is Zohar time. As you can hear that azan हो रही है. Right now azan भी हो रही है. तो right now I'm just going to my masjid to pray Fajr. To pray Zohar. So let's go, guys. So guys, now I have came back from namaz, and as you can see, I have 500 rupees in my hand. So right now I'm going to market. I have to buy some fruits for the iftar. So now just let's go. So now we will take this scooty with us. So now just let's go, guys. Sister, give me thela. Thela de do. So guys, right now we are going to market, and just look who is with me. Kabir, where are we going? We are going to market to buy some fruits. So let's just go. So right now we will go on this scooty, as you can see. So now let's just go. And we are also waiting for Zaman to come. Zaman. So guys, now I have reached the shop, as you can see. So now I will buy some bananas. So guys, we have bought a watermelon and some bananas from here. Kabir, what we just buy? क्या क्या खरीदा है हमने, बताओ. So now just let's go, guys. क्या हो गया? कुछ भी नहीं. चलो, कहाँ चलना है? पार्क. घर चलेंगे. पार्क.
आप बहुत अच्छे हैं.
क्यों भाई? हैं? कबीर भाई, कहाँ जा रहे हैं अब हम? घर पे. चलो क्या, चलो चलते हैं तेज से. So guys, right now it is 5 p.m. in the evening. So yeah, I got 2 orders yesterday. So now I'm just going to deliver these orders. So now just let's go, guys. So guys, right now I have reached the destination. So I will now deliver the orders. Now guys, just let's go home. So guys, right now I have came back to my home, and it is 5:26 p.m. right now. So yeah. Right now I will edit this vlog, so that's why I'm ending this vlog. I hope you like it. So today I went to market with Kabir, so I show you. So right now I'm ending this vlog. I will meet you tomorrow with a new vlog. Till then, bye bye guys.